Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a very simple process by which you can remove a retainer clip from the window regulator arm. There's two pins on this window regulator, which is from a Scout 80, and there should be two clips to this. And the purpose of the clip is to hold the arms in a groove on the window once the clip has been installed, and the groove of the window would be between the arm, the pin, and the clip. The clip and the regulator are identified from the parts book as numbers 37 and 38. 37 is the regulator arm retainer clip, and 38, the regulator I'm working on, is from the passenger door. So it would be the right door window assembly regulator. From the internet, where I've seen numerous videos where individuals have attempted to explain how to remove a window either from the driver or passenger side from Scout 80s, Scout 800s, Scout 8As and Bs, also Scout 2s, and it appears that this clip can be found in most of these vehicles as part of the window regulator. From these videos, they've never really shown how to remove the clip. Many of them have said, oh, you might have to cut them off, you might have to somehow break them off, you might have to pry them off. I mean, all different ways, which really doesn't make much sense. Because if you have tried any of that on this, first, it's very difficult to get any tool in there, let alone your hand, to remove this clip. So I don't know how they went about doing some of these things that they've described. And they even said that sometimes they rust. They say, well, you got to cut it off because it rusts. Well, as can be shown, most of the window regulators I've seen are covered in grease that people have applied over the years trying to make their regulators work. Now, I'll just show you really quickly, and it's almost a 1 or 2 step process to both put the clip on and remove it. As you can see, here's the pin. There's a groove on the pin that the clip will sit in. Very simply, you just place the clip on top of the pin, you align the clip with the groove, and it pushes right on. Very simple. That would be, I don't know if you call that a 2-step process or a 1-step process. To get it off, all you have to do is, you might have to jiggle a little bit, it slides right off, and it comes right off the pin. Now, that's very simple. There's not much thought process to it. And as I said, the most difficult thing is this pin, which is closest to the rear of the door, is the easiest, while the pin that is directly under the window lever is actually the hardest. I actually had to use a mirror and a flashlight that I could place inside of the door frame so I could see what I was doing there, so I could get this clip lined up correctly so I would know which way I would have to push it to get it off of the pin. Because as you see, it spins. If you have one that isn't badly bent or dented, it will spin on the pin, and you have to have it lined up just right so the groove and the clip will allow you to push it in the direction you have to go to get it off. And that, everyone, is the very simple process of how you remove these retainer clips from the regulator arm. Thank you very much.